Welcome to Iram Marker. We're delighted to have you here. At Iram Marker, our website offers a wide range of solutions designed to help your business thrive. From connecting with your audience on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to creating engaging visual content such as promotional videos, we're here to boost your brand's visibility and engagement. Our services include search engine optimization, SEO, to enhance your online presence and email marketing strategies that strengthen your connection with your audience. Our products also assist in designing unique logos and visual identities that embody your company's values. Furthermore, they enable the creation of user-friendly websites that showcase your products and services effectively, ensuring a seamless and intuitive experience for your visitors. Whether you're here to browse, shop, or explore, our team is ready to support you with expert guidance, innovative ideas, and valuable insights to help you achieve your goals. Feel free to contact us via email, visit our website for more details, or explore our offerings through the product links provided in the description. Thank you for choosing Iram Marker. We're more than just a service provider, we're a community, and we're thrilled to welcome you as part of it. Make yourself at home, and let's collaborate to create something extraordinary.